Hello, children. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and safe. As we have completed the letters G, H, R, and S, today we are going to do some exercises of these letters. So, let's start. So, the first exercise which we will be doing is match the capital letter with the small letters. Now here can you see, children, we have capital letters and here we have small letters. Now what are we going to do is we will match the capital letter with the small letter. Okay, now let's start. What is the first letter here? Yes, this is capital G. Now can you tell me where is small g here? Here, yes. So we are going to match the capital G with the small g. Now, what letter is this? This is the letter H, capital H. Now can you tell me where is small h here? Yes, we have small h here. So we are going to match the capital H with the small h. Is that clear? Now the next one. What is this letter? This is capital R. Now we are going to match the capital R with the small r. Where is small r? Here. So we are going to match it. Now last one. What is this letter? This is capital S. Now we are going to match the capital S with the small s. We have small s here. So we are going to match it like this. Is that clear, children? Now we will do the next exercise. Now can you see here? We have some small letters. Now you have to circle the correct letter. We have some letters here and we have some letters here. So what is the first letter here, children? G. Now can you tell me where is G? Is this G? No. Is this G? No. Is this the letter G? No. Is this small g? Yes. So we are going to circle it. Okay. Now look at the next letter. What letter is this? This is letter H. Now can you tell me where is small letter H? Is this small letter H? No. Is this small letter H? Yes. So we are going to circle this. Okay. Now what letter is this? Small r. Now what letter is this? Small t. Is this small r? No. What letter is this? D. What letter is this? C. What letter is this? Small r. Now here you can see r. Here also you can see r. Now we will circle this. Okay. Now what letter is this? This is small s. What letter is this? Small c. What letter is this? Small g. What letter is this? Small m. Now what letter is this? This is small s. Now we are going to circle this small s. Now the third exercise is cross the odd one out. Now what letter is this? G. What letter is this? G. What letter is this? G. What letter is this? This is also small g. Now come back to this letter and tell me what letter is this? This is small d. Is this small g? Is it looking like small g? No. This is different. So we are going to cross this. Is that clear? Now the next one. What letter is this? Small h. What letter is this? Small t. What is this? H. What letter is this? H. This is also H. So we will cross this because this is small t. Now what letter is this? Small r. This is also small r. This is also small r and this is also small r. Now what letter is this? This is small m. So we are going to cross small m. Okay. Now what letter is this? Small s. What letter is this? Small s. What letter is this? Small n. This is small s. This is also small s. Now which letter we are going to cross, children? We are going to cross small n. Is that clear to you all? Now children, look at the fourth exercise. Here you have to match the picture with the correct letter. Here are some pictures and here you have some letters. So you are going to match the picture with the letter. Now look at the first picture. Now what picture is this? This is grapes. Now what for grapes, can you tell me, children? G, G, grapes. Now can you tell me where is the letter G? Is this letter G? No. Is this letter G? No. Is this letter G? No. Is this letter G? Yes. So we are going to match the grapes with letter G. Okay. Now the second picture. What is this picture, children? This is a hat. Now where is small h? Here we have small h here. So we are going to match the hat with small h. Now what is this picture? Rat. What for rat? R. Now where is small r? Yes, here you have small r. So we are going to match this with small r. Now what is this picture? This is the sun. Sun. Where is small s? Here you have small s. So we will match it with small s. Now here you have one more exercise. You have to write the first letter of these pictures. Now what is this picture? This is grapes. Now what for grapes? We have learnt G, G, grapes. So we are going to write here G. You are going to write small g. Is that clear? Now what picture is this? Hat. What for hat? Hat. So we are going to write here small h. Now what picture is this, children? This is the picture of a rat. Now what for rat? R. 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 Rat. We are going to write R. What picture is this? This is the sun. So what are we going to write here? We are going to write S. Sun. So children, I would like you all to practice these exercises in your rough notebook. Thank you and stay safe.